In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Accumulative Swing Index, ASI, in Ctrader. The Accumulative Swing Index is a momentum-based tool that helps you gauge trend direction and the strength of price moves. It's particularly useful for confirming breakouts and spotting shifts in market bias. We'll add it to your chart, place a clear zero reference level, and make sure you know what you're looking at once it's on the screen. First, head to the official Ctrader website. This is where you access the platform and keep everything secure and up to date. Once you're there, log into your Ctrader account. Using the official site ensures you're signed in safely and have access to the full feature set. Next, open the trading platform and look at the top panel for the indicators button. Click that to open the indicator library. You'll see different categories to help you narrow things down. For this setup, choose the trend category. The ASI is grouped here because it's commonly used to confirm the direction and persistence of price swings. From the trend list, select Accumulative Swing Index. This opens the indicator settings window. Before you apply it, move over to the Levels tab. Adding a zero level is a simple step that makes the ASI far easier to read. The zero line acts like a baseline. When the ASI stays above zero, it often reflects bullish pressure. When it stays below, it can indicate bearish pressure. It won't predict every turn, but it gives you a clean visual reference. Click the plus icon to add a new level and set that level to 0. Keep the styling clear and visible so you can spot it at a glance. When you're satisfied, click OK to apply your settings. The ASI will appear in a separate pane below your price chart, and you should now see your zero line running across it. Return to the platform view and take a moment to read what's on the screen. A rising ASI generally suggests strengthening upward momentum, while a falling ASI can suggest increasing downward momentum. Crosses relative to the zero line help you define bias, and sustained moves can support a trend view. Some traders also look for divergences, where price makes a new high or low, but the ASI doesn't confirm, as an early warning to be cautious. Use the ASI alongside your chart support and resistance, and always validate signals with your broader trading plan. Consider practicing these steps on a demo environment before applying them to live markets. That's it. Your Accumulative Swing Index is set up and ready to help you read the trend with more confidence.